So here I am at the midst of a pandemic, and here I am bagging groceries. How'd I find myself here? Because during the pandemic, when everything shut down, I was working a conventional job, and I was a private contractor for a mattress firm. And unfortunately, during the pandemic, people don't want you walking into their houses setting up mattresses and other bed frames and cool things like that. So the job was out, and something dawned on me. I had to look for more of a online presence to be able to make money. I had to generate skills. I have to now generate skills in order to be able to make money for myself. Because when it comes to these conventional jobs, as soon as the market crashes, as soon as the economy crashes, as soon as someone else's business isn't doing good, then it's slow for me. I'm not gonna be able to make anything. So what I have to do right now is start learning different ways in order to generate skills, generate online presences, whether it's selling products, whether it's learning how to video edit so I can be a private contractor that gets the bulk of his business from an online presence, not relying on anybody. What I realized from this pandemic is that we can't rely on somebody else to put food on the table for us. We need to find skills that people need that we can offer them so that we ourselves are valuable and we are only valuable employees. So here I am bagging up groceries, and so much is going through my head right now because I wish I was on this earlier. I honestly wish I'd been had an online store set up. Like I always wished I had an e-commerce store. But now I'm learning the skills because the pandemic woke me up. The pandemic hit hard as soon as I lost my job. And here I am doing Instacart, bagging some groceries. Yeah.